Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. So, another day, another cross prediction. And ngayon guys, nasa pinaka-exciting part na tayo ng FIFA football market, no? So, we're down to the final 4 nations, mga tol. So, France, Spain, England, and Argentina, mga brokies, no? So, today, I'll share my personal picks, explain why I'm choosing them, and of course, hopefully, earn more cross once again, mga tol. So remember mga brokies, this is not financial advice. These are simply my own prediction based on current form, statistics, and football analysis. So always make your own decisions before entering any prediction market mga brokies. Let's go! So, our first semifinal is absolutely stacked mga brokies, no? So, France versus Spain. Honestly, this feels like an early World Cup final, mga brokies. France has been incredibly consistent throughout the tournament. Kylian Mbappe continues to deliver while their defense has remained one of the strongest in the competition. So, many analysts also consider France the current tournament favorite, mga tol. So, Spain naman, mga brokies, on the other hand, has been one of the most entertaining teams to watch. Their possession game, quick passing, and young stars have been amazing, mga brokies. So, this match could honestly go either way, mga brokies. So, my pick for this one, mga tol, France. Mbappe pa rin, mga brokies, no? Why? For tournament experience, better balance between attack and defense, clinical finishing in knockout games, Mbappe has been stepping up in big moments, mga tol. So, I think France wins. But expect it to be very close, mga tol, no? So, maybe just one goal separates them, mga broke. So, yun yung natin. So, ngayon, mga tol, syempre, dito tayo sa France, no? So, mag-buy tayo dito, mga tol. Let's go. So, yung match nila, mga brokies, sa July 15, 3 a.m. yung kick-off. So, France ang lalagyan natin, mga tol. France, and then lagay tayo dito guys, let's say sabihin na natin 100 mga tol. So, if ever na manalo yung France dito mga tol kontra Spain, talaga nga naman, ang laki ng potential payout natin dito mga brokies, no? So, yan yung magiging potential payout natin dyan. So, pero hatiin na lang natin 160. So, let's say 80, no? 80 cross tayo mga tol. 80 cross. Yan. So, 80 cross tayo dito mga tol. So, France tayo. So, buy yes. Yan. France, market. Proceed anyway. Ayan. So, bot tayo. Guys, nandito tayo ngayon sa France. Okay, all goods na mga tol. Ito, France. And then, let's go. Punta naman tayo sa susunod nating teams na maglalaban.
A few moments later.
So, now, let's move on to the second semifinal mga tol. England versus Argentina, mga brokies, no? So, this is another football classic. So, England has looked stronger every round, mga tol. Jude Bellingham has been incredible and England's attack keeps creating chances. Argentina, meanwhile, has relied on Lionel Messi's leadership as they chase back-to-back World Cup titles. So, Argentina always performs well under pressure, mga tol. Tandaan nyo yan. So, Messi has proven many times that he can change a game with just one moment of brilliance. But England has looked more complete throughout the tournament. So, my pick dito, mga tol, it might be England. For me, mga brokies, no? So, why? Better overall squad depth, more consistent performance, strong midfield control, dangerous in transition. So, I think England finally reaches another World Cup final, mga tol, no? So, ang laki ng odds na ito, mga brokies, if ever England ang mananalo dito, mga tol, no? Kung if ever na makakalusot yung England. So, subukan natin, mga tol, if ever na makalusot sila dito. So, maglagay tayo dito, guys, na let's say 32 cross. Yan. Kita nyo yung payout, pare. Medyo malaki, di ba? So, gawin na natin 50. England tayo, mga tol. 50, mga brokies. So, yan. Total size, 135, potential payout. Yan. Ang laki ng odds, mga tol, oh, sa England, no? 2.70. So, let's do this, mga brokies. Buy tayo. Proceed anyway. Yan. So, portfolio natin, mga tol, dalawa. Yan. So, nandito tayo, guys. Yan. So dito tayo, ito yung mga ano natin guys, no? Pick natin ngayon. So England versus Argentina, England. France versus Spain, France yung ating pinili. So hopefully mga brokies, tumama tayo this time mga tol, no? So, if my predictions are correct, the World Cup final will be France versus England, mga tol. That would be an insane matchup, mga tol. Mbappe versus Bellingham, speed versus physicality, experience versus momentum. Personally, mga tol, if this final happens, I think France still has a slight edge because of their experience in major tournaments. But anything can happen in football talaga, mga tol. That's exactly why prediction markets are so exciting. So, those are my predictions for today's cross football market. So, what about you guys? Comment below. Who are you picking? France or Spain? England or Argentina? So, if you enjoy these daily cross prediction videos, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications. So, good luck to everyone making decisions. Hopefully, we can earn even more cross together. So, I'll see you in the next one, mga tol. Peace out.